Why Linux is powerful, advantages of Linux, complete guide. Are you tired of slow systems? Constant updates, unexpected errors, and feeling like you don't really control your computer? Linux offers a different experience. Fast, secure, flexible, and completely free. But Linux is more than just an alternative. It is a different way to use technology. In this video, I will show you why Linux is so powerful. Not just from theory, but from how it is used in real systems. Let's start with a simple idea. What makes Linux different? Linux is open source. This means anyone can use it. Anyone can modify it. Anyone can share it. No licenses. No subscriptions. No lock-in. You are not dependent on a company. You control the system. This is important. Because in real systems, control matters. Now let's talk about the first advantage. Number 1. Linux is free. You can install it on any machine. You can use it forever. And you don't have to pay anything. This removes barriers. Students can learn. Developers can build. Companies can scale. In fact, many companies save millions by using Linux instead of paid systems. Now let's move to the second advantage. Linux is secure. Security is not an add-on in Linux. It is built into the system. Linux uses a permission model. Programs do not get full access. They only get what they need. Each process is isolated. Each user has limits. This reduces risk and protects data. That is why Linux is widely used in servers, cloud infrastructure, security systems. Because security is critical. Now the third advantage. Linux gives you full control. You are not limited by default settings. You can change everything. The desktop, the system behavior, even the kernel in advanced cases. Linux adapts to you, not the other way around. This is very different from Windows, where the system controls the user. Now the fourth advantage. Linux is fast and lightweight. It uses fewer resources. It does not slow down over time. You can run Linux on old hardware. Even machines that struggle with modern systems. You can take an old laptop, install Linux, and make it fast again. This is one of the most practical benefits. Now let's talk about something important. Linux is the preferred system for developers. Why? Because it provides a powerful environment. The terminal is extremely powerful. You can control the system with commands. You can automate tasks. You can manage files efficiently. Linux supports Python, C and C++, Java. Shell scripting. Everything is built for development. In Linux, you are closer to the system. You don't just use software. You understand how it works. Now the next advantage. Linux has a huge community. Millions of users. Developers around the world. If you have a problem, someone has already solved it. There are forums, tutorials, documentation, videos. Help is everywhere. And it is free. This is one of Linux's biggest strengths. Now let's talk about flexibility. Linux has many distributions. Ubuntu, Debian, Arch Linux, and many more. Each one is designed for different users. Beginners can choose simple systems. Advanced users can choose more control. There is no best Linux. There is only the right one for your needs. Now let's be honest. Linux is not perfect. There is a learning curve. It is different from Windows. Some software is not available. Some hardware may need extra setup. And gaming support is still improving. But despite these challenges, the advantages are hard to ignore. Linux gives you freedom, control, security, flexibility, and most importantly, understanding. Linux teaches you how systems really work. And that is what makes it powerful. If you want to learn Linux properly, start with understanding, not memorizing. In the next video, we will go step by step and start using Linux in practice.